Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. Welcome to Madam Hida channel. For this lesson, we will continue on chapter 1, Molecules of Life. There are 5 subtopics in this chapter. 1.1 Water, 1.2 Carbohydrates, 1.3 Lipids, 1.4 Proteins, and 1.5 Nucleic acids. For today's lesson, Madam will explain on subtopic 1.1 Water. How much do you know about water? Do you know that water is the second most abundant substance in the universe and it makes up 75% of our bodies? Yes, and it actually changes at different times of life. Do you know how does water molecules look like? Water molecule composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, and the molecular formula of water is H2O. Hydrogen atom and oxygen atom join together by sharing their electrons to form polar covalent bond. So the structure of water molecule mainly made up of 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atom. By forming the polar covalent bond, between oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Water molecule shows the non-linear structure in which the 3 atoms which comprise of 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms form the V shape. The water molecule has a band shape with the bond angle 104.5 degrees. And do you know why? It is due to the polarity of water molecule. Water molecule is a polar molecule with no net charges. Polar molecule is where the opposite ends of molecule have opposite charges. As you can see from this diagram, the oxygen atom shows the slightly negatively charged, whereas the hydrogen atoms is slightly positively charged. And the charge for oxygen atom listed as 2 del negative, while the hydrogen atoms listed as del positive. Oxygen atom and hydrogen atoms have unequal distributions of electrons. Recall back what you have learned during your chemistry classes. Oxygen has 6 electron valence, while hydrogen has 1 electron valence. So these 2 electrons form the polar covalent bond. By sharing the electron between hydrogen and oxygen atom. However, oxygen atom is more electronegative than hydrogen, and the electrons between hydrogen and oxygen will be more attracted to oxygen atom than hydrogen atom. And that's why the structure of water molecule become bend and form the non-linear V shape. And this also gives rise to the dipole condition, which means the oxygen atom becomes slightly negatively charged, while hydrogen atom becomes slightly positively charged. What is the effect of water polarity? The slightly positive charge of hydrogen atoms of one water molecule will be attracted to the slightly negatively charged of oxygen atom of nearby water molecules, and the bond formed between the two water molecules, namely as hydrogen bond. So from this diagram, you can see that this is the first water molecule which link between oxygen and hydrogen by polar covalent bond. And the next one is the second water molecule or the nearby water molecule, also with the V shape, and the angle is 104.5 degrees and linked by the polar covalent bond. But these two water molecules can link together by hydrogen bonds between opposite charges of slightly positive charge of hydrogen atom and slightly negative charge of oxygen atom from the neighboring water molecule. Each water molecule can form 4 hydrogen bonds with other 4 water molecules. Okay, as you can see from this diagram, this is the main water molecule. One water molecule is located at the center, and then it will link to other neighboring water molecule. This is the first water molecule. This is the second water molecule. This is the third water molecule. And the last one, the fourth water molecule. So from here, it is clearly shows that one water molecule can form maximum 4 hydrogen bond between neighboring water molecules. Hydrogen bond between water molecules responsible for the unique properties of water. There are 6 properties of water. First, water acts as universal solvent, which provides an aqueous medium for biochemical reaction and also able to dissolve many polar substances such as sugar and salt. Second, water has low viscosity, which is important as medium of transportation and also act as good lubricant. Third, water has high specific heat capacity. Water can act as heat buffer or heat insulation and also can stabilize the ocean temperature and also moderate temperature on Earth. The fourth, water has high latent heat of vaporization, which enable the excess body heat to be released to surrounding through sweating, which give cooling effect, and it called as evaporative cooling. The fifth one is water has high surface tension, which enables some aquatic insects such as water strider to walk on the water surface by cohesive force, and also it will create a capillary reaction that keep the water molecules in the xylem vessel to move up against the water gravity by cohesion and adhesion. And the sixth is water has maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius, which making the ice float above water layer and allow living aquatic organism to keep life and exist during winter. Students, let's do some practices to ensure that every one of you really understands what we have learned in this lesson. First, you have to draw the structure of water molecule with the complete labeling. Second, you have to show the hydrogen bonds formed between the 5 water molecules. So let's try to do it. So that's all from Madam Hida. Thanks for watching.